The HOWEASY Portable Power Station is a compact and versatile energy solution designed for those who require a reliable source of power while on the go. With a capacity of 260 watts and a peak output of 500 watts, this solar generator serves as a practical companion for a variety of outdoor activities, emergency situations, and even day-to-day charging needs. At first glance, the HOWEASY Power Station stands out due to its lightweight design, making it easy to transport. Its robust frame and intuitive layout of ports and outlets suggest that it has been engineered with user convenience in mind. The device comes equipped with multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports, which allow users to charge or power a range of devices from smartphones to small appliances. One of its notable features is the PD65W port, which supports fast charging for compatible devices, ensuring that users can quickly power up their gadgets when in a pinch. In terms of functionality, the HOWEASY Power Station operates seamlessly, providing a stable and reliable source of energy during camping trips, tailgating events, or even power outages at home. The unit can be recharged through solar panels, a car charger, or a standard wall outlet, offering flexibility in how users can maintain its energy supply. This adaptability makes it particularly appealing to outdoor enthusiasts who might not always have access to traditional power sources. During usage, the generator is relatively quiet, making it suitable for environments where noise might be a concern, such as during a camping trip in a tranquil setting. Users have reported that the power station holds its charge well, providing ample energy to run multiple devices over several hours. In conclusion, the HOWEASY Portable Power Station emerges as a functional and user-friendly energy option for individuals seeking portable power. Its blend of various output ports, fast charging capabilities, and multiple recharging methods contribute to its appeal as a versatile tool in both recreational and emergency contexts. Whether you are venturing into the wild or simply wish to be prepared for unexpected outages, this power station offers a practical solution for maintaining your devices powered and ready for use.